Welcome to the Law Offices of Mary Kennedy. Today is September 20th, and we have a very important discussion that has to happen. With the proclamation that has been declared by the President, which is on 19th evening, the most important criteria. The first thing is people who are in the United States, who are already in United States, do not travel. You don't have much implications if you're on a F1 status, if you're on H1 status, and if you have a pending, which is going to be effective from October 1st. If you're an F1 to H1B, and then you're worried about what will happen if you have to pay the 100,000. At this point of time, we have very minimal information. But as long as you're within the United States, there is nothing major that's going to change or impact your pending H1Bs that has been applied in the 2026 H1B quota. So you're safe enough transferring your status from F1 to H1B. The second part of it for people who are already in H1B, your extensions, your amendments, transfers, that has very minimal impact on this proclamation. So you're safe enough to continue your status. Only for the people who has traveled outside of United States. For you, even if you have a valid visa, you should not attempt to enter United States if you pass the deadline of September 21st very early, which is 12:01 EST. So if you miss that deadline, then it's better for you to wait wherever you are. If you are in India, please wait. Even if you have a ticket that has been booked, which might help you to land in Monday, no, you shouldn't be doing it. Please postpone your tickets till any further updates. Even though they said 100,000 has to be paid, there is not many clear guidance how it has to happen. And as you know, we had been on multiple calls and updates from Ayla and other attorneys and the groups and everything. So the only thing is the attorneys who are especially in the litigation field are preparing for a lawsuit, and you can expect TRO as soon as possible, even earliest by Monday. We will keep you posted on any further updates. All that we request you to do is postpone your travel plans. Please do not enter back with an assumption that it's very close in Sunday and then I'm entering back on Monday. You will be completely deported if you don't have that payment of 100,000 that is associated with your H1B. So please do not do that. Wait for any further updates, and definitely relief is on the way. We have seen earlier bans. There are multiple things that happened initially, and there were amendments, there were lawsuits, there were TROs, means temporary restraining order. So many things are on the way. There are attorneys who are initiated, who are in the conversations. So please, if you need any more support, please feel to reach out to our office. You do have all the information that is available. So contact us, and we are doing our best. Even from morning, there are multiple calls that we have been attending to help support the community. At this critical time, do not panic. It's very easy for me to say that, but we are all there to support each other. Thank you so much.